Hello everyone, this is the 14th question of the C++ series, which tells us that we have to add key value pairs to the map. Map is a different kind of data structure, and here we are adding key value pairs inside the map, as map accepts key value pairs, which are mainly sorted in order. And then we have to create a function to add a 3 students name and take scores to student map and this whole thing, and then print the map to this. Okay, we have to add their names and scores to this map and then print the map. Okay, so first of all we have imported 3 libraries here. First one is for the input output operations, second one is for the usage of map inside the code, and third one is whenever in C++ you have to use strings. In C language we don't use this thing, we directly declare character and then the string. Here we have to import the string, and as I said in my earlier video, that using namespace std means we don't have to write this syntax. Okay, we don't have to write this like std and then the map and then std cout, std sin, std output input operations. We don't have to write those kind of things if we use this. Okay, so there will be 2 functions. Okay, so first we'll add their scores and names to the map, and other will print them. Okay, so there will be 2 functions running, as in the int mem we will call 2 functions. So first function is to add students. Here map taken as a string, int name student map. I have said in my most of the videos that we are using this ampersand to not to duplicate the values, not to increase the memory storage. Okay, we don't want to duplicate those values which are there in the student map. We only want to store them for a while and then just remove it. We don't want to duplicate those values as whenever anything is printed on the compiler or any runtime environment, it gets duplicated. So we don't want to get any kind of duplication, so we are using this. Here are the names and their marks, name and their scores. So this is it, 3 students, and then we are using the function to print the map, which is print students, and inside that this is the map, student map. This is it only, but we are using const keyword as inside the loop. We don't want to change that. We don't want to change the student map as we are in the loop, so that we are using const keyword. Const keyword in JavaScript is used to define a word or define any string or any kind of variable, and not to change it afterwards. We cannot change the variables which are declared with the const keyword. So this is the range based loop, and inside it we are using auto keyword. We are using auto keyword as we do for the reduction, for the deduction of the syntax, as we don't want to write this long syntax. So we are using auto and for the and logic I have already explained you. Pair, name, and then the student map. Okay, and then we are simply just printing it as the pair dot first and the pair dot second. We are printing pair dot first and the pair dot second, and then we are just initializing or declaring the map over here, student scores, and then just calling the functions as we are adding the students in the student scores as student scores, and we are printing them afterwards. So let's run it. May take a while. Okay, so Alice score this much, and the remaining students have this much. Thank you.